These are the Accu-Cable XLR 3-pin to 5-pin turnaround cables. Now, you would use these if you have DMX lighting accessories, controllers, and you need to interface between a 3-pin XLR to a 5-pin XLR device. You get a limited lifetime warranty. That's nice, peace of mind. See the phone number there for service. You can see that it is made in the People's Republic of China. And that's the model number there at the bottom. AC3PM5PFM. Okay, let's open it. Take a closer look at how the cable is designed. All right, so here we can see that it's about, gosh, I don't know, is that 6 inches in between there of exposed cable? And then, of course, you have the female 5-pin XLR end here. There's the latch. And on the 3-pin side, it's a male XLR connector. If you want to see how it's wired up and soldered inside, let's unscrew this, pull it out like that. We'll just slide this back, and you can see how they have a bit of shrink wrap over here. And you can see that the shield is wired to pin 1, pin 2 is over here, pin 3 is there. This looks like a gray wire, and this looks like a black and gray wire here on pin 3. It's also gold. Looks like gold contacts on the inside. They do have these little, looks like a shrink wrap material almost, that go over to prevent any sort of short circuits, which is nice. So let's put this back on and slide this on here. You can just screw it back on by turning it like that. All right, let's take a look at the 5-pin female end here. So again, we just unscrew it like this. Can just pull it out, push it a bit there, push the latch a bit so we can get it out. Okay, there we go. And then slide that back. And we can see that pins 1, 2, and 3 are wired up. The shield, again, is on 1. Looks like the gray cable's on 2. The black and gray cable is on 3. You can see soldering job there. Not fully covering the hole there, but see what we've got on this other cable here, this wire. Okay. It's not completely filling up the hole. They just used a dab of solder there, but it's still connected. So let's push these covers back over. And then let's put this bigger cover back on. And then slide this back in. It's all the way to the end there. And push this up here and screw it back together. And there is the Accu-Cable 3-pin to 5-pin XLR turnaround cable. The 3-pin end would be the output from a DMX device, controller, lighting fixture, the through output. And then the female end is the input for a 5-pin DMX fixture.